Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In our today's video, we will learn how to reduce the file size of Excel. You must have come across many instances in which your file size is very huge and due to which it could lead to a storage problem or it could lead to a problem while sending an email. So let's see how to reduce the Excel file size. It is very simple. Now I have a sample format over here. If you see, if I go in properties, the file size over here it is 1.33 MB. Now if I want to reduce the size, the steps are very simple. I just need to open this sheet, we'll go in file, save as. While saving it, it will ask the file location. So I'll keep the location as same as desktop and save as type. In this we have lots of drop down, many drop downs are there, options available. So what you can do is, since you need to reduce the size of the Excel, you should select Excel binary workbook. And I'm saving this Excel on the same location. Now if you remember, the earlier file Excel size was 1.33 MB. Let's check it. So it is 1.33 MB. Now I have reduced the size and I have converted his save type to binary workbook. So now this is the format which is available. If I am doing right click, properties, now if you see, the file size is reduced to 721 KB. And here is the earlier file with 1.33 MB. I hope you have liked this video. Please share it with your friends and family and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.